What I wish I knew as a freshman engineering student instead of a senior. The magic of the superposition theorem. The superposition theorem states that in a linear circuit with multiple sources, the total response is the sum of responses from each source acting alone. Sounds tricky? Let's break it down. Step 1. Turn off all sources except one. For voltage sources, replace them with a wire. For current sources, break the connection. Step 2. Calculate the voltage or current using methods like Ohm's law or Kirchhoff's laws. Easy, right? Step 3. Repeat for each source. One by one, you got this. Step 4. Add up all responses algebraically to get the total voltage or current. Voila! Example. In a circuit with two voltage sources, replace one with a wire. Analyze, then switch. Add the results. Done. Got it? Great. Need more help? Reach out to Mr. R. Senthil Kumar for tutoring. Check the description for details.